we are back again here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the Game 2 of the Juniors Basketball. Dito na nga po ang ating ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. At kanina nga, Rick, nasabi natin, aabangan natin kung ito bang ating NCF Tigers will bounce back and get their win dito sa ating championship round, or the ACC Green Serpents will bring home the championship for our Juniors Basketball. Yes, tamang-tama ka nga dyan. And nakikita natin dito sa loob ng ating venue na talagang punong-puno na ang ating mga upuan. Talagang grabe ang suportang pinapakita ng dalawang teams na ito when it comes to the crowds. Talaga hindi magpapahuli ang NCF Tigers. And syempre ang ACC Green Serpents may baon. Gaya nung nangyari doon sa ating game number 1 na kung saan all out talaga ang suporta. At doon nga sa ating game number 1 nakuha ng ating ACC Green Serpents ang game na iyon. And let's see, will the NCF Tiger Cups force game number 3 or will the ACC Green Serpents snatch this victory sa ating laro ngayong hapon na ito? At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng ating NCF Cubs, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bucal, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the most awaited moment of Bucal Season 5, the Game 2 of the finals. And the NCF Cubs are ready to bounce back and to bleed green for the NCF community. According to Team Captain Vargas, they focus on adjusting their full man-to-man defense for this game. They also focus on communication inside the court that will help them to bounce back at this time. And as a team captain, he continues to remind the team to always focus, give their all, and maintain their teamwork inside the courts. That's all for now. This is Kyla Casulia reporting on the side of the NCF Cubs. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yan nga, communication as well as offense and defense na pagpapaganahin dito ng ating NCF Tigers to get the win this afternoon. Ngayon nga, maya-maya po, magsisimula na po ang ating labanan NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. Ito nga, Rick, last week itong ating ACC Green Serpents, nagpakita sila ng magandang performance dito from the defense and the offense and of course the communication inside the court. Kung kaya naman na-snatch nitong ating ACC Green Serpents ang panalo sa ating game number 1. Pero titingnan pa natin yan dito sa ating game number 2. Kaya tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
And Rick, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. Game 2 of the finals, and it is about to get fiercer now that the Amando College Junior Green Serpents are off to secure the champion title this ball game. Adjustments on their defense was the gist of their preparation coming into this ball game, according to their head coach, Coach John Rodriguez. Having the win on the first game was definitely an advantage, but as the Serpents always say, job is not yet finished. So expect the Serpents to unleash their venomous and relentless hiss to devour the defending champion once and for all. This is Eliza Faith Pantesa reporting on the side of Amando College Junior Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 5, One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Yeah, thank you so much for that update, Eliza. So gaya nga ng sabi dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents coach na talagang hindi pa
Christian Manzanares, and jersey number 67, Johnson Toca. NCF Cubs is led by Brian Ayo. ACC Community and NCF Community, are you ready?
Now, we're going to start our game number 2 with the advantage of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, tip-off tayo. First ball possession, kayo na kaya mapupunta?
Yan, Tin, according nga doon sa coach ng ating ACC Green Serpents, the job is not yet done para dito sa kanyang kupunan. So, ball possession ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Codores loses the ball. So, maagang turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Ayan, ball possession ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. Now, Toka with the ball. Bantay sarado dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Back-to-back turnover for these both teams.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. So, passes now to Beltran. Beltran tries for 3. And that's the first para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Basagre. Pass on the inside, Toka. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Pero that's a 24-second shot clock violation. May natinid ang pagsimula ng laban ng ACC at NCF Tigers. Now, ball possession of the ACC na ngayon ay lamang ng 3. Galing yan kay Beltran. Now, Codores passes to Beltran again. 20 seconds to shoot here. Sevillano back to Beltran. Now, passes here to Mayor. What will they do now with the 10 seconds on their shot clock? Di diretso sa loob. Pero foul was whistled. Now Codores is on the line for 2 shots here. No good for that first one. Let's see dito sa ating first quarter. Ang mainit na labanan ng NCF at ating ACC Green Serpents. Codores gets that second free throw. Now Sevillano secure the ball for the ACC. Mayor. Heavily guarded here by Basagre. Nawala. Sevillano now. Passes here to Codores. Going inside. Fadeaway shot. No good. No, Beltran stepping on the line. Kaya turnover.
Pinasok na nga dito si team captain Vargas para dito sa Cubs. Campana tries for the corner. Shoots for 3.
Kung last week, Rick, hindi natin masyadong nakita yung outside shooting dito ng NCF Tigers. Now we can see that they are really determined here to get a win again against the ACC Green Serpents. Now Codores. That's it! back-to-back three for these two teams. Sagutan lang ng tres dito sa ating first quarter.
Grabeng offense ang ipinapakita. The shooting percentage of these both teams talagang kitang-kita sa ating pagsisimula ng laro. Now, ball possession ngayon ng NCF Cubs. Vargas to inbound. Passes to Giba. No good on that fadeaway shot. And the ball will remain on the side of the NCF Cubs. Again, team captain Vargas to inbound. Passes to Campana. Tight defense dito pa sa Green Serpents. Pasagre! Basket count at samahan pa yan dito ng foul on the side. So Bernabe on that replay, kitang-kita naman ang ating puntos coming from him. Bernabe on the free throw line para dagdagan dito ang kanilang score. We are all tied up at 7.
Now, on the lead of 1, ang NCF Tigers. Now, Sabaliano heavily guarded here by 2 NCF Tigers. Now, a steal. Sayang yun, di pa naipasok. Now, Beltran secure the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. Passes to Codores. Now, Codores. Long two. That's it. Umuulan dito ng puntos sa dalawang kupunan.
So nakikita natin dito sa ating NCF Cubs ang sinabi kanina sa report ni Kyla na kailangan nilang paigtingan ang kanilang man-to-man defense na talaga namang kitang-kita dito sa ating quarter 1. A great offensive rebound para dito sa Cubs. Agawan nga ng bola. The ball will remain on the side of the NCF Cubs. Traveling violation was called on the player of the NCF Cubs. Again, traveling violation is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories.
Now we can really see how eager these two teams to win this fight this afternoon. Para sa side dito ng ating NCF Tigers, ito yung apoy na hinahanap natin doon sa ating game number 1, ACC. Ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Lamang dito ng isang ACC Green Serpents, 8-9 on our scoreboard. Now NCF Tigers ball possession.
Vargas to Campana. What a move, pero no good on that last attempt.
Nagmamadali Madron for a layup. Ang ating 3 times best player of the game si Madron na nagsisimula na ngayong uminit.
Now, NCF on the offense. And a foul was called on jersey number 10 dito sa Serpents. Let's see on that replay. Sa last point, conversion dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, libreng-libre para doon sa layup na yon. Now, ball possession ulit dito ng NCF Cubs. Gianan forces that one and gets a point.
Naghahabulan lang ng puntos itong dalawang kupa na to. Now Beltran. Hindi ka na mamula ang bola. Madrona. What will he do? Back to Beltran. Passes to Sevillano. 12 seconds to shoot here. Madrona for 3. No good.
Bernabe on the rebound para dito sa NCF Cubs. Campana to Vargas. Campana on the corner for 3. No good. Pero Gianan, maaagawan dito ng bola ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Hodores di diretso sa loob. Fadeaway shot, no good.
Gianan, the big man, forces that one. Out of bounds ball. Turnover dito para sa ating NCF Cubs.
That is the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents on the lead of 1. Now Madrona. Pass to Beltran now. Beltran. Hahanap dito ang papasahan. Going inside, pass to Madrona on the corner. Now Madrona for a fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. Heavily guarded here inside.
Now Vargas with a steal. No good on that attempt. Wasted opportunity dito para sa Cubs. And the ACC Green Serpents talagang ginagawa ang lahat dito para hindi makalamang ang ating NCF Cubs.
Now, Godores. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Heavily guarded here. Madrona. Di diretso. Tries again. No good. Medyo nahihirapan ngayon sa shooting itong ating dalawang kupunan.
2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. What a great steal coming from Madrona.
Now, Godores di diretso, but that's a traveling violation. So that will be a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, nag-iinit na pati mga fans natin dito sa ating first quarter.
Grabe yung tin. Wasted opportunity on the side of the Amando Cope. Sayang. Natawagan siya dito ng traveling violation. Campana. Passes to Vargas. And Vargas gets a point here.
Now, NCF Tigers on the lead of 1. Madrona. 18 seconds to shoot here. Team captain Beltran. Still looking for a teammate. Tries for the 3. No good. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Offensive rebound dito. Beltran, pass to Madrona. And that's a clean basket from Madrona.
One-point lead dito para sa ating Green Serpents. What a great steal again coming from the Serpents here. Pero no good para sa layup na yon. Chance for the Cubs here para makalamang now. No good on that 3-point attempt. Pero Vargas on that offensive rebound. Heavily guarded dito si Gianan. Vargas tries for that 3, no good.
Now Balin. Waited for an opportunity and make a shot for that 2 points. With 43 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter, on the lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Ngayon medyo nahihirapan dito ang NCF Tigers to convert a point. But now ACC Green Serpents still on the lead now. Beltran heavily guarded here. Pass on inside again. Balin was there to get a point for the ACC Green Serpents.
What a nice pass and connection para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. 5-point lead. Campana on that corner for 3. In and out ball.
Pero hindi pa naipasok yung last attempt of 3. 12-17 for our first quarter. On the lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue, the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second quarter. 5-point lead nga dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang ating NCF Cubs or will the ACC Green Serpents tuloy-tuloy na nga ang pag-abante dito sa ating laro.
Kaya yan, Rick, bago tayo magsimula dito sa ating second quarter, batiin lang din natin ang ating live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Jasmine, kay Gemini Sablaon, kay Elaika Bermilio, at kay Shalvia Bilbao. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs.
NCF ball possession. Naugyanan with the ball. Passes to Vargas for 3 and Vargas makakakuha ng 2 points on that last attempt.
Ayan na nga eh. Beltran. ACC passes now. The jersey number 7, Avila. On the inside para dito kay Bali. Now, Madrona. For the offensive rebound, Mayor. The attempts for 3, no good. Now, Gianan.
Now, Cubs on the offense para dito sa ating laro. Campana. Passes to Vargas. 5 seconds to shoot. Vargas tries for that 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito para sa ating Cubs.
Now Avila going inside. No good for that one. Medyo nagmamadali dito. Itong ating dalawang kupunan.
Vargas on that 3-point attempt. No good.
Now Avila tries again one more time for his second chance point.
Now Campana may hawak ng bola dito para sa Cubs. Back to 5-point lead para dito sa ating Serpents. Borromeo on that 3-point attempt. No good. But the ball will stay on the side of the Cubs. Magana ang offense ng ating NCF Cubs, and as we can see on the replay, a great point conversion para doon sa ACC Green Serpents. Now Sutpin to inbound. Another steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents.
Now Sevillano di diretso again for that EC2. 14-21 on our scoreboard. Lamang po dito ng 7 ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now NCF Tigers ball possession. Pero may foul na naitawag na nga dyan para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang ating NCF Tigers sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter para humabol sa puntos ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Chino. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and during the huddle, they are reminded to have the man-to-man defense and backs-out defense they will execute for this quarter. They are also reminded to execute properly their game system for this quarter. Communication is also important for them to have a good ball rotation. Coach Brian reminds the boys to play with heart and play smart. And that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, the NCF Cubs here needs to step up. Now, ball possession nila. Wasted opportunity again para sa Tiger Cubs. Sutpin with a steal. Passes to Gianan.
Medyo nagmamadali itong ating NCF Tigers, so a turnover para sa kanilang side. Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Sevillano now handling the ball. Passes on the corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Tries again one more time. Wala na yan. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's call on Ali. Hi Ali, ano update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and during the huddle, the boys were reminded to always keep their eyes on the prize and head on the game. Keep in mind that this will be your last game before going home to Tabaco Albay as champions of Bucal Season 5 Juniors Division. So move and work like a true serpent. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that update. Kaya nga nakikita natin dito sa performance ng ating ACC Green Serpents na ayaw talaga nila ibigay ang kalamangan sa kanilang kalaban, which is the NCF Cubs. Talagang gusto na nilang kunin ang kampyonato dito sa ating liga at umuwi sa Tabaco Albay ng masaya at magdidiriwang ng kanilang pagkapanalo.
And now, Mayor attempts. No good. Sevillano was there for a rebound. Heavily guarded here, but the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with 11 seconds to shoot. Napakaganda ng communication side dito sa ACC Green Serpents at medyo nahihirapan pa ang ating NCF Junior Cubs to convert a point sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. Now, ball possession of the ACC. Coderes. Now, Salaw. Going inside. There's a whistled foul there. Tawagan nga dyan. On the last sequence, you can see it's jersey number 22 of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Salaw. That's good for his first attempt. He'll try again for the second time. At may kalamangan nga po silang 6 dito. Or will he make it 7?
Now, NCF Cubs on the offense. They need a point conversion here sa ating second quarter. It seems like nahihirapan sila dito when it comes to their shooting. When it comes to their defense, nakikita naman natin na parehas ng magandang defense ang pinapakita. But on the shooting percentage, talagang abante dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Mayor. 15 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded, bunti ka na mawala yung bola. Now, Coderes passes inside. Pero, medyo nakulangan pa doon, but a whistle foul. Amando Bueno on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good for that first attempt. Sequence. Again, that's jersey number 22 with a foul. Amando Bueno's second attempt, wala pa rin. Now, NCF Junior Cubs basketball.
Now Rodriguez, another great steal coming from the Serpents. Pero Manzanares to the rescue on that last sequence.
Back-to-back turnover para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now this the chance of the NCF Junior Cubs to lessen the gap of the ASCC.
Now Basagre looking for his teammate. Bernabe. And the foul was called on the player of the ACC Green Serpents. 4-point lead dito para sa ACC Green Serpents. Now Basagre to inbound the ball, passes to Bernabe. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Cubs. Rodrigueza fires for that 3, no good. Too strong on that attempt.
Now ACC's basketball. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now Sevillano. Passes here to Madrona. Madrona taking their time here to Beltran. Now Beltran. Hanapan dito si Coderes. Now Coderes. Tries for 3. That's a bang! Para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Yun nga, napapansin nga natin dito ang shooting ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang swak na swak. Now ball possession ng Tigers. No good on that attempt. The ball will remain on the side of their team.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. 20-27 on our scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng second quarter matchup. Now Basagre with the ball. 5 seconds to shoot. And a 24 seconds shot clock violation was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. 7-point lead dito ang kailangan nilang habulin para may tie ang matchup na ito.
Now ACC have a chance to widen the gap against the NCF Tigers. Madrona nagmamadali for a layup di diretso yan dyan sa loob. With Madrona nag-iinit sa ating second quarter.
9-point lead na dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Bernabe to Manzanares. Another bad shot for them.
Now Sevillano passes to Beltran. Now Beltran. 14 seconds to shoot. Madrona. Back to Beltran. Offensive rebound. Madrona again with the ball. Now Beltran. What will he do? Heavily guarded here by Lorio. Now on the corner. Tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound again. Madrona. Wala ngayon. But a whistle foul here for jersey number 4, Coderes. This will be the ball possession of NCF Junior Cubs. And sa ating last sequence of Madrona getting a point for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Siyempre, hindi mo na makakalimutan yung pangalang Madrona as he is the best player of the game for 3 times.
Yes.
Sa ating ACC.
Madrona nga stepping up on this matchup. Talagang pinapakita niya na kailangan nilang makuha ang game nito. But on the other hand, Manzanares, hindi sumusuka at makakakuha ng puntos para sa Cubs. Bernabe, a back-to-back point conversion on the side of the NCF Cubs. That's the kind of thing na kailangan nila dito para sa ating second quarter if they want to tie up this match.
Medyo nawala nga sa hulog doon kanina. Itong si Beltran, kung kaya with Bernabe getting that point. Napatawag na nga po ng timeout of minute and 46 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half with ACC Green Serpents on the lead of 5, 24-29 dito sa ating talaan. Kaya titingnan natin sa pagtapos ba ng ating second quarter, mahahabol ba ng NCF Junior Cubs ang puntos ng ating ACC Green Serpents? Let's see. Maya-maya, bagong lahat po, batiin lang din natin ang ating live viewers dito sa ating Bucal Facebook Live. Shoutout po kay Maria Norma Aday, Doris Geraldine, kay Kyle Jason Roslyn Otero, at kay Andrea Isabel Aguayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now we are back on the ball game. Still on the lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. As you can see, the fans of the NCF Tigers is present here today, as well as the ACC community. Now, ball possession of the ACC Coderes. Now, Coderes with 18 seconds to shoot for the side of the ACC. Pero medyo napalakas dyan, so a turnover para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Yes, Steve, tamang-tama ka dyan. These both teams need to build a strong connection inside the court para talagang maganda ang momentum na idadala nila sa ating second half. 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Now, Vargas to inbound para dito sa Cubs. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, Manzanares makakakuha ng clean basket coming from that last sequence. Jump shot was good. So we are seeing the fighting spirit here ni Manzanares rather on the side of the Cubs.
Now, a good communication out the side of the ACC between Madrona and Miro Bueno. Napakaganda nun. So another 2 points para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, wala yan para dito sa ating Junior Cubs, but they still save the ball.
So foul was called on the player of the ACC Green Serpents. That's why Mahilom is on that free throw opportunity para dito sa Cubs. No good on that first shot. Offensive rebound para dito sa NCF Cubs. Agawan ng bola. Now, ACC Green Serpents basketball.
26-31. Nasa penalty na nga ang ating NCF Junior Cubs. Last 42 seconds para dito sa ating second quarter. Mira Bueno is on the line for 2 free throws here. ACC still on the lead. Now, Mira Bueno. First attempt was good. Adding a point here for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, napakaganda ng second quarter performance nitong ating ACC Green Serpents with that communication between players as well as their offense and defense. Now let's see if the NCF Junior Cubs hahabol dito sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter maya-maya. Now NCF basketball.
Now, Campana and Borromeo, maaagawan niya ng bola dito ng Serpents.
Now Mayor, pass here to Coderes. Coderes on the corner. with 15 seconds to shoot. What will he do now? Heavily guarded here. Avila. Passes to Mayor. Back to Caderes. Blocked by Stel. With just .60 counts dito sa ating second quarter. 26-32. 6-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Napatawag pa nga ng timeout dyan. Itong ating NCF Tigers. So let's see. Medyo nagkukulang nga dito sa communication itong ating NCF Tigers. And also, kaya titingnan natin sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter if the NCF Junior Cubs hahabol at makakalabang against the ACC Green Serpents.
Yes, this is a very crucial moment for the NCF Cubs. 32-26 and 60 seconds remaining on our 60 counts rather remaining on our second quarter here, and still the lead is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. The defending champion needs to bounce back hard here sa ating pagpapasok ng second half.
Yes.
On the side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, they need that consistency if they want to snatch the victory against the defending champion.
Ayan nga, the NCF Junior Cubs needs to double their effort now na meron ngang 1-win advantage itong ating ACC Green Serpents if gusto pa nilang magkaroon ng game number 3. Now, back to the ball game with just .60 counts on our time clock. Still on lead. Itong ating ACC Green Serpents, 26-32. 6-point lead here. Pero syempre, shoutout din tayo dito sa ating live audience na todo bigay suporta para sa ating mga kupunan. Abangan niyo po mamaya for our game number 2. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACC Green Serpents para sa kanilang game number 2. With Annunciation Panthers an advantage para sa kanilang championship round. Now, this is the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. We have
so clarification, 2 seconds and 67 counts para dito sa ating second quarter, and the ball is on the side of the Cubs.
now a long pass. Pero wala pa rin. That's it. Nagtatapos po dyan ang ating first half with ACC Green Serpents on the lead of 6, 26-32. We'll be right back for the second half of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
And we are back here para sa ating second half.
No. NCF's basketball. Sutpin. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Junior Clubs.
The traveling violation was called on the player of the NCF Tiger.
Now ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Poderes to inbound. Passes now to Sevillano. Sevillano now heavily guarded here. Now what will he do? Passes now to Beltran. 16 seconds to shoot here sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Now Beltran. But a foul was whistled. So he'll be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now, first attempt, no good. 26-32 sa ating talaan dito. Kalamangan pa rin ng ACC Green Serpents dito para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side. Tawagin natin ang ating fourth star reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, ano ang update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second half of this matchup. During the dugout, the coaches emphasized the importance of putting your 100% effort to the game. This is not the time to go lousy and complacent with your plays. Play your defense effectively and be confident to get the rim and get a basket. Adjustments both on their offense and their defense were established in order to win the remaining quarters. 20 minutes na lang na sipag at tiyaga. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tim.
Well, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan ditong tiyagain ang ating ACC Green Serpents. They need to be consistent on their play para talagang makuha nila ang kampyonato dito sa araw na ito.
Now, ACC's basketball, Coderes, libreng-libre with that layup, adding a point to the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, nakikita naman natin dito na sa umpisa ng ating second half, talagang maganda ang momentum na ipinapakita ng ating ACC Green Serpents, pero on that last play makakakuha ng puntos ang ating NCF Cubs. Now, to hear more about NCF Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, balitaan mo kami dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Gino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup at umiinit na nga ang labanan dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. And for this quarter, they are reminded to lessen their turnovers because this is a crucial game. They are reminded by the adjustments they need to have this quarter, especially the defense, to lessen the gap. Before the end of the huddle, they motivate each other to help them boost their confidence. And Coach Bry reminds them to double their effort at ibigay na lahat ng kayang ibigay. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayun nga, bawasan yung turnover for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs dahil nga doon sa ating first half. Marami-rami dito ang naitala ng NCF na turnover. And now, we can see na naibaba na nga sa apat ng NCF Junior Cubs sa kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And now, Sevillano passes the ball to Beltran. Didiretso Sevillano with a layup. Hindi din naman talaga magpapatalo dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents and still adding a point dito sa ating second half.
Now, NCF Cubs on the offense. They need a point conversion here. Another steal coming from the Serpents.
Nagsitayuan na nga yung fans dito ng ACC Green Serpents with that last sequence coming from Coderes. Libreng-libre dyan si Coderes getting that layup para maidagdag sa puntos ng ating ACC Green Serpents 30-38. Magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second half. Now, 8-point lead ang kailangan dito habulin ng NCF Cubs. They're on the offense right now.
On the corner, Campana passes to Vargas. On the inside, back to Campana. No good for that one now. Beltran secured the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. We are now on the third quarter of the game. Kailangan na mag-doubling effort para dito sa ating dalawang koponan na ito to get the win. Now Beltran going inside. No good.
Now Campana, maaagawan nga ng bola dito ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now Beltran tries for three. That's a big three coming from Beltran, and you can see the happy faces of the ACC community with that last sequence.
Another great steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents.
Lumalaki na ngayon ang kalamangan dito ng Green Serpents with an 11-point. Now Beltran again, passes here. Mayor going inside. Now a pass to Coderes. Coderes going inside, adding a hit here at the Ateneo Gymnasium with that last sequence. 13 na po ang kailangang habulin dito ng NCF Junior Cubs.
Now Campana tries for that three. The ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now the momentum is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating third quarter. Medyo kailangan pa ng communication inside the court itong ating NCF Tigers. Now ball possession of ACC with 13-point lead here. Madrona. Now Sevillano. Back to Madrona. 20 seconds to shoot here. Sevillano. What will they do now? On the inside, ballad! Napakagandang kombinasyon mula dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
It goes well para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Lumobo na nga dito sa 15 points ang kanilang kalamangan. The Cubs needs to step up. Crucial point para sa kanila dito. Third quarter na. And 4 minutes and 49 seconds na lamang natitira sa ating laro. Now Bernabe. No good on that first attempt. Another wasted opportunity here para sa ating NCF Cubs.
Now what will the NCF Junior Cubs do at this moment that the ACC is on the lead of 15? Now, this is their ball possession. They still have the chance to widen the gap. Now Beltran going inside. And again, a beautiful shot coming from Beltran. Now Junior Cubs, what will they do?
Now ball possession ng NCF Cubs. Bernabe to Campana. 5 seconds to shoot. Vargas, in and out ball.
Medyo nahihirapan sa shooting itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. They need to step up and get a point at this moment. Now Beltran tries for 3. No good. Now
Another great steal
from the ACC side. Balin was there for the offensive rebound. Now passes here to Mayor. Now Beltran again, going inside. Balin! But that's a foul. Natawagan nga ng foul dyan si Bernabe. So Balin will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 17-point lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating third quarter. Masyado nang napalaki ang kalamangan ng ACC at this moment. Now for the second attempt of Balin. Making it an 18-point lead against the NCF Junior Cubs.
Now, ball possession ng Tiger Cubs. Bernabe. Passes to Campana.
Now, still ball possession of the NCF. Bernabe. Pinutol nga yung sumpa kanina na pasok ng puntos ng NCF. Now, Madrona. Passes here to Balin on the inside again. No good.
Now, ball possession ng Cubs. Great point coming from Manzanares. And now Manzanares on that free throw opportunity para dagdagan dito ang kanilang puntos. Offensive rebound para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Sutpin, passes to Manzanares. A great steal, pero andon si Campana. And a 24 shot clock violation was called on the NCF Cubs.
Now, as the NCF feeling the pressure at this moment kung kaya't hindi sila nakakapagpuntos, while the ACC still on the lead here. Beltran, pass to Mayor. Now Avila. Too strong for that one.
Now Sutpin on that layup and it was good.
Now, just a 12-point lead here. Too strong. Now NCF Junior Cubs again. A whistle foul there. Foul was called to Beltran, team captain of ACC.
Again, Manzanares on that free throw line. No good on that attempt. And mag-shoutout muna tayo, team, sa ating mga live viewers dito. Shoutout kay Jesus Cardino Avila Jr., J. Hoshan Rodrigueza, Carl Nunez, and Jefferson Galicio. Happy viewing po.
Now ACC basketball. Beltran. A minute and 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Now Beltran attempts for 3. No good.
Now Manzanares, maaagawan niya dito ng bola ni Beltran.
Now Coderes passes to Balin with the layup again. Grabe ito nga Green Serpents dito sa ating third quarter. Napakaganda na pinapakita nilang performance. Now NCF. Offensive rebound. So, Pindi diretso. Now Aces basketball here, Madrona. Let go! Inside! Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now last 54 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Medyo nawala na yung game face dito ng ating NCF. They need to step up now. Madrona, too strong for that one.
Now Toka is in the court para dito sa Cubs. The ball remain on the side of the Cubs. Jersey number 4, Coderes, tatawagan dito ng foul.
Last 44 seconds of the third quarter. Sutpin adding a point for the NCF. Hindi pa rin sila dito nawawala ng pag-asa. 36-50, 14-point lead here. Now, Sevillano with 29 seconds remaining. Taking their time here. 14 seconds. Now, Coderes with the ball. Pass to Sevillano, going inside. Balin was there again for a second chance point. Grabe tong si Balin. Laging nakabantay sa ilalim. A foul was whistled here to Balin. Medyo nahirapan talaga sa shooting itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now Bernabe for his second attempt on the free throw line. Still no good. Bibigyan pa ng isang chance. Itong si Bernabe on the free throw line. 38-52. 4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now Bernabe. Still no good. Panserve rebound. And a whistled foul. Again, he will be back on the free throw line. Natawagan nga dyan ng foul si Salaw. Now Bernabe again on the line. You need to shoot this one. Free throw is also important. That's it. 1.97 sa ating third quarter. Now Bernabe for his second attempt. Still 14-point lead here. It's a 2-over-2 para dito kay Bernabe. Now with the remaining. That's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. 41-52 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter of the game of the championship round ng ating juniors basketball only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter. Clarification lang doon sa ating score on that last minute of the third quarter. 40-52 po sa ating talaan, and still 12-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now we are now on the last quarter of the game. Pero bago yan, shoutout natin dito si Nalitnas Lea, John Mark Banyares Pelayo, Court Daniel, John Mark Pelayo, again, and kay Oriel Banila, Joseph Oida, at kay Junel Ramoso Argamosa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now back to the ballgame tayo with NCF Basketball. Now 40-52. This is the last chance of the NCF Junior Cubs.
Now Manzanares may hawak ng bola. Passes sa Sutpin, and Sutpin fires for that three, no good. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now Toka, nahihirapan dito sa depensang pinapakita ng ACC. 5 seconds to shoot, Sutpin.
Now that's a 24-second shot clock violation para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, Poderes to inbound. Passes now, Sevillano, back to Poderes. Still on the lead dito. Pero that's a traveling violation, so that will be a turnover for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, kailangan na nilang gawin ng lahat. Sa kada ball possession, they need to shoot the ball to lessen the gap of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Sutpin.
10 seconds to shoot. Toka now on that corner pocket, no good.
Now Mayor secure the ball for the ACC. Beltran. Heavily guarded here by Bernabe, but ball will stay on the side of the ACC. At humabol nga dito ang ating NCF Junior Cubs, at para makahingi tayo ng update na all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. For the last quarter, they are reminded to double their effort. Ibigay na lahat ng dapat ibigay for this quarter. They are also reminded to double their effort in terms of executing their game system for this quarter. Coaches reminds them to stay patient inside the court and stay on their composure and one at a time. Mas kailangan pang paganayin ang matibay na opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa para makabawi pa for this last quarter, and they need to implement their teamwork to help them execute their plan for this quarter. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that update, Kyla. So yun nga, kailangan dito na magandang opensa ng ating NCF Cubs, because on the defense, medyo magandang pinapakita natin dito. Pero on the side of the NCF Cubs, when it comes to shooting, talagang medyo nahihirapan when it comes to point conversion ng ating defending champion. On the side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, what a game for them. Talagang pinapakita nila dito na ayaw na nila ng ang game T at gusto nang iuwi ang kampyonato sa kanilang lugar, which is Albay. So panoorin natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa loob ng 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, para makahingi ng update sa side ng ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick, we are now on the last quarter of the game and the Serpents are now sealing the deal, making sure they finally get that championship glory. During the huddle, the boys were commended for their effective communication inside the court, resulting to a more efficient place. However, despite their good performance, they were still challenged to elevate their game and show the venomous Serpent spirit. This last 10 minutes will be the battle of possession by possession. Kaya naman bawasan ang errors and use the clock as your advantage. Well, that's it for now. Balik sa inyo, Tenant.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, bawasan dito yung turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. At kahit nga napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila, kailangan pa rin nilang magdoble kayod. And for the last sequence, that's a big three coming from Coderes, making it a 13-point lead against the NCF.
And now, another double-digit. Abante ngayon ang ating Amando College.
Now ACC's basketball again. Mayor. Passes here to Madrona on the inside. Pero that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now ball possession of the NCF.
Substitution para sa side ng NCF Cubs. Borromeo passes to Vargas. Borromeo to Campana. Vargas to inbound, passes to Campana, and Campana fires for that three, no good.
No, Madrona for the ACC. To Mayor. 6 minutes and 80 seconds remaining sa ating last quarter. Now Madrona, no good. Chance for the NCF here.
Foul was called on the player of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Gianan on that free throw line. Kailangan nila ditong pumuntos. Clean basket for him.
Now, ACC still on the lead of 12 here. Madrona handling the ball. Passes here to Coderes. 13 seconds to shoot here. Coderes kanina may papasa ang bola. Now tries for 3. Mirabueno for offensive rebound. Pero was on foul. Natawagan nga ng foul dito si Vargas. Mirabueno on the free throw line. No good for that one. 5 minutes pa natitira sa ating last quarter. Mahaba-haba pa ang oras na pwedeng gamitin ng NCF Junior Cubs to lessen the gap of the ACC. Gap on 13.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng NCF Cubs. Ganan for 3. Too long for that.
Still ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. Campana, 10 seconds to shoot here. Now Vargas. Long 2. Wala pa rin. But the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 43-56, 13-point lead here. Now Coderes. Guarded here by Vargas. Passes to Madrona. Now Madrona. 15 seconds to shoot here. Mayor. What will he do? Loses the ball, but the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. With just 9 seconds to shoot. Now, Madrona again. Tries for 3. No good.
Now, ball possession ng Tigers. Borromeo for that fast break. Makakakuha ng puntos.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito. 43-56 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 18 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating fourth quarter. Now, as you can see, Rick, dito sa ating pagsimula ng fourth quarter, medyo nawala itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Ang daming error and turnover ang nangyari. And of course, medyo nahihirapan sila dito sa outside shooting as well as sa inside shooting. Kaya titingnan natin, with just 4 minutes, ano kaya yung gagawin nila to lessen the gap against the ACC Green Serpents.
Yeah, you're right, Dean. Kitang-kita nga dito na talagang when it comes to the offense and defense, ang ACC Green Serpents talagang umaabante. Nakikita naman natin sa score na ito, 56-45. Kailangan dito maging consistent ng ating ACC Green Serpents para makuha na nila ang kampyonato. And on the side of the NCF Cubs, they need a strong connection inside the court and strong shooting para makahabol at mabawasan ang kalamangan dito ng Amando College.
Now, possession of the ACC. Gusto lang din namin batiin si Mark Lester Belbes, Kenneth Anicuza, Joms, kay Kyle Gambal, Elaika Berminio, John Wayne Salcedo at kay Jomin Pedro Nibares. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now Beltran. Passes to Mayor. Now Madrona going inside. No good.
Mahilom on that rebound. Borromeo forces that one. No good. But a foul was called on Beltran on that last sequence. Now Borromeo on that free throw opportunity.
Now, ACC's basketball. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Sevillano. Passes to Beltran. Now on the corner para dito kay Mayor. Heavily guarded. Effective yung ginawang depensa doon ni Borromeo. So turnover para dito sa NCF Junior Cubs. Now Vargas. 46-56, 10-point lead here. Campana to Gianan. Now Gianan. Going inside, making a point, no good. Offensive rebound. May kasama pa yung foul. So that would be a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Borromeo. 8-point lead. Kaya pa tong habulan for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs with 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Borromeo for a 3-point play. Na ngayon, nagbabalik yung ingay sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Beltran.
What a great steal coming from the Cubs. Ito na ba ang hinihintay nilang comeback? And with that, Borromeo, another 2-point was added on their team. Grabe. We would like to commend Borromeo on that last 4 points. 5 points rather added on the NCF Cubs. At naririnig nga natin dito ang ingay sa loob ng ating Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. 5-point lead na lamang ang kailangang habulan dito, Tin, ng ating defending champion.
Yan, napakaganda ng ating mga last sequence. Courtesy dito kay Borromeo na talaga namang binuhay muli yung ating NCF community. Talaga namang nag-ingay muli at nagpadagdag sa intensity ng laban na ito with just 5-point lead. Titingnan natin, kailangan lang talaga maging consistent dito ng ating NCF para mas maibaba pa ang kalamangan against the ACC Green Serpents. Pero aron yung gagawin dito ng ACC para manatili sa taas.
Yan, napag-usapan nga natin si Madrona. Pero dito sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter, medyo tahimik siya. And let's see kung ano bang gagawin dito ng mga key players ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now, this is what you call the game two of the finals. We're back on the intensity of the game. Now, Coderes to inbound. Now, Mayor. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Natawagan pa nga ng foul dyan si Borromeo. Now, full ball possession here for the ACC. Salaw. 2 minutes and 52 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Now, Coderes heavily guarded here. But still the ball. Nasa side pa rin niya ng ACC. Pinapakita na tayong mahigpit na depensa ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. With 15 seconds to shoot here, Beltran. Hahanapin dito. Salaw. Attempted for 3. No good.
Now Borromeo. But a great steal. Back-to-back steal from both teams. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Sit back and relax kasi nag-iinit na talaga ang bakbakan sa loob ng ating venue dito sa Ateneo de Naga. What a game! What a finals para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
Kung kanina, Rick, medyo inantok yung iba. Pero ngayon, nagbabalik muli ang bakbakang ACC at NCF. With 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining dito sa ating last quarter. Ball possession of the NCF. 5-point lead. They just need to lessen the turnover here now. Makakita ba tayo ng Game 3 or the ACC Green Serpents will take home the championship ngayong hapon na ito? Let's see with this intense game of this both teams. Now, while waiting, the referees are just discussing something here. Would just like to shout out to Rosie Deo Careza at kay Maria Janelle B. De Umano na nagpapa-shoutout dito kay Ma'am Irene Tosok at RJ Rebedorial. Now, 2 minutes, 26, a 5-point lead. Ball possession to ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now, the referees will review something here. Would like to commend Borromeo doon sa ginawa niyang pagbabago para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs.
As you can see on the player of the NCF Cubs, kilala dito si Campana on that 3-point shooter para dito sa kanilang koponan. Pero ngayon, mukhang tahimik siya. On the side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, talagang si Madrona consistently playing to win and get the championship dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. Talagang match na match ang dalawang koponan na ito. What a great game para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
And also, kailangan gawin dito ng NCF Junior Cubs to make a shot here. At ayan nga, shoutout din tayo dito kay Jeff Peconcillo ng NCF TRC. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Kapit lang po, as this is the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. Sama na din natin sa shoutout dito si Mariel Jade Parco, Charles Jacob Prieto, kay Sean Gonzaga, at kay JP Belmonte. Referee are still discussing something here. Now, this is it. NCF's basketball. "14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, let's see. Borromeo again. Pero still by the ACC, Beltran. Passes here to Coderes, to Madrona. Now on the corner, para dito kay Mayor. Madrona, 6 seconds to shoot. Beltran. We are now down on the last 2 seconds of the... Pero that's a 24-second shot clock violation. And down to 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining para dito sa ating last quarter as NCF's basketball here.
Last 2 minutes of the game and the crowds is hitting up dahil sa bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Borromeo. Magkakaroon dito ng foul ang player ng ACC Green Serpents, jersey number 18. Now Borromeo needs a point here on that free throw opportunity para maibaba ang kalamangan ng kanilang kalaban dito.
Now Borromeo for his second try here. 5-point lead. Will he make it 4?
Clean basket for Borromeo. 3-point deficit on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Now, Coderes. ACC with a 4-point lead here. Coderes for a 3. In and out ball. Sayang yun sa last 3-point attempt ng ACC dito. Now, there will be a review kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang ball possession. 52-56. 4-point lead. 1 minute and 29 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa po ang oras na ating gugugulin for this Game 2 of the NCF and ACC Green Serpents. Sabakan niyo po mamaya, Game 2 din po ng Annunciation ng ACC Seniors Basketball kung saan may 1-win advantage na po ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Kaya titingnan natin, will the Annunciation Panthers go home with a championship or the ACC Green Serpents will make it on the Game 3. Shoutout tayo dito kay Mark John Luna, Oriel Banila, Christopher Henry, John Peter Cuerdo, kay Tala Abad Hernandez, at kay JP Belmonte. And the ball will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs with a full ball possession.
Vargas itatawid ngayon ng bola para sa Cubs. What a great steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Crucial moment para sa dalawang koponan na ito.
Yes, kailangan hindi bitawan dito ng NCF. Yung apat na kalamangan lang dito ng ACC. Now Mayor passes to Coderes. Now to Beltran going inside. No good. Now NCF. Nagkakagawan dito. Borromeo. Ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 52-56 with the last 57 seconds. What will happen now? Can the NCF still get a point here? No, 14 seconds on the shot clock of the ACC Green Serpents. Coderes to inbound. Now pass to Beltran. Now to Madrona. Back to Beltran. What will they do now? 7 seconds to shoot here, Beltran. Going inside. Passes here to Coderes, pero that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Chance for the NCF to lessen the gap here. Pero napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan. Still 52-56 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents with the last 43 seconds of the game. Grabe, yun naging last sequence natin dito. Humabol pa yung ating NCF Tigers at kailangan lang nila ditong makagawa ng puntos or to convert a point to lessen the gap of the ACC Green Serpents. And as for the side of the Green Serpents, they just need to be consistent and also get a point to get the championship against the defending champion NCF Junior Cubs. We would like to give thanks to our sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Bigs, and Havaianas. An announcement, if ever the Game 3 is available or will happen, it will be tomorrow at 3 p.m. Still on the same venue, the Ateneo Gymnasium. Now we are back on the ball game. This would be a ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. (52-56), last 43 seconds. Seconds on their shot clock here. Borromeo to inbound. Now Vargas. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Beltran secure the ball for the ACC. Madrona. Last 28 seconds. Mira Bueno on the inside. Pero foul was whistled here. Nakatayo na ang fans ng ACC Green Serpents praying for them to get the championship now. That they are first timer here at Bucal Season 5 now. Beltran, 12 seconds on their time. Whistled foul here. Last 18 seconds. Beltran now on the line for 2 shots here. Beltran for his first attempt. That's good. Back to 5-point lead. The crowd is going wild for the side of the ACC Green Serpents now that they're feeling the championship this afternoon. Beltran, green basket here, and a timeout is called on the side of the NCL Junior Cubs. 52-58, 6-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents with the last 18 seconds of the game. Now the singing of ACC is now visible as they are now, I think, early celebrating for the championship. Pero grabe din yun, naging last mga 3 minutes natin dito, yung panunumbalik ng suporta dito ng ating NCF. But still, a great matchup between these two teams. We'd like to thank our live audience, the supporters of NCF and ACC Green Serpents. Also sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating Bucal and Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Shout out kay John Vincent Benitez at kay John Albert. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagandabay. Now with the 18 seconds, last 18 seconds of the game. This would be a ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. Still, a great match between these two teams. Vargas to inbound para dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs. With 14 seconds on their shot clock. Mahilom now. Passes here to Campana on the inside para dito kay 8 seconds na lamang po ang shot clock dito ng NCF Junior Cubs while we only have 11 seconds, 40 counts. We're still waiting. We're just still waiting sa ating final announcement. Giyanan, in and out ball para dyan sa free throw. Fans of the ACC Green Serpents mukhang hindi na sayang yung pagpunta nila dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. Now Giyanan for a second attempt. Still no good. And I think with the last 8 seconds remaining. Yan, shoutout tayo dito kay Harvey Banda, kay Rocky Sibuyo at kay Ezra Leno. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now with the last 8 seconds. Sutpin. Passes now on the inside. Borromeo make it another 2 points here. Napatawag pa ng timeout dyan ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 54-58, just a 4-point lead.
Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok live na live sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. Shoutout kay Harvey Banda, Kurt Spera, Karen K. Escaro, Aljon Pogoy, and Carla May Calieja. Thank you so much and happy viewing po.
Now, last 6 seconds para sa ating unang laro ngayong araw na ito. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers, vying for the championship for the juniors basketball this Bucal Season 5. Apat dito ang kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents at napakagandang performance ang ipinakita nitong ating dalawang koponan na ito. And still a great fight between these two teams as they are both champions to their respective schools. Now we are back on the ball game. And we're just waiting for the confirmation. Now this is the ACC's basketball. For the last 6 seconds of the game, they're on the lead of 4. Now, Monteres passes to Mayor. Free throw ay ibibigay dito para kay Mayor. Last 4 seconds. And I think we can finally say right at this moment na ang ating baguhang ACC Green Serpents dominates the juniors basketball out of Tuwag School. Ang ating rookie ACC Green Serpents got the championship against the defending champion NCF Junior Cubs. We can see the celebration on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Happiness, yung nangingibabaw sa kanilang side. This is a very emotional moment para sa ating rookie team, ACC Green Serpents, for vying the championship against the defending champion NCF Junior Cubs. Grabe, napakaganda din naman talaga ng ipinakita nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, still congratulations sa ating defending champion NCF Junior Cubs. Simula elimination po, walang talo ang ating ACC Green Serpents. And they are the new champion of the Juniors Basketball of Bucal Season 5. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game.
Mayo pa. LA agad din. Mayo pa, ma'am. Di ba kami tigtatawan? Hi, Miss Rose. Okay lang yan. Tawag sa balabal, B. Kumano lang.
Siguro daw magbawi.
Bawal naman ka sa balib. Okay lang.
Pero iba ang nilala. Pero nga yung victory. Chance.
Yun.
Ayan nga, Rick. Again, congratulations to ACC Green Serpents for getting the championship for our juniors basketball. At sa atin pong pagbabalik, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For our juniors basketball, and still congratulations sa ating first runner-up na NCF Junior Cubs. Abangan niyo po mamaya pagkatapos ng ating Game 2 of Annunciation Panthers and ACC Green Serpents for our seniors basketball ang awarding po ng ating mga players. Kaya abangan po natin kung sino po ang ating MVP for the juniors basketball. And again, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtantabay.
Yes, talagang pinakitaan tayo ng magandang closing dito sa ating juniors division ng ACC, Green Serpents, and the NCF Cubs. Still, congratulations sa ating defending champion. Pero ngayon, we have the new reigning champion, the ACC Green Serpents. So tutok lamang again. My name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan niyo po ang ating Game 2 mamaya lamang. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.